Hey everybody, it's Grim here, and today I will be showing you how to install NoggitSDL1.2 for World of Warcraft 3.3.5. Now, this video only works for 1.2 at the moment, so keep in mind if you're trying to install 1.1, 1.3, any other versions higher or lower, the installation instructions may vary. So before we start, what you're going to want is NoggitSDL1.2. Now to get that, you will go to nogg-it.blogspot.com, where you will find two download links, the original download link they support and an alternative mirror file. Once you've got one or the other downloaded, you will go to your fresh 3.3.5 client, which you can find from Molten WoW or any other 3.3.5 server. Most of the time they'll have torrent links that you can download the client from. So once you've got that done, you'll go into the folder and you will delete your cache folder. You will also go to your data folder and you will delete any custom patches you may have from previous servers. Now the original ones are common, common-2, expansion, Lich King, patch, patch-2, patch-3. I have patch-d in here. This is a file I received from AC Web, I believe. And what it does is it unlocks a bunch of Blizzard content that they never really put in the game. They're objects that are there, but there's never really any commands or anything to spawn them. So you might want this if you want better in-game building. But once you've got your data folder cleaned out of all the custom patches and your cache folder deleted, we're going to go back to our NoggitSDL folder. We're going to open that up with WinRAR or 7-zip, whatever opens up the zip files. And you're going to see your NoggitSDL folder here. You're going to go into your World of Warcraft folder, and you can just drop Noggit right in here. Once you're done with that, we're going to go into the folder here, and we will open up nogget_template.conf. This is the config file for Noggit. And this is where we will edit the path and instruct it to the World of Warcraft root folder. Now here you can see the path line in the config file. It's commented out with a path sign here. That means that the Noggit will ignore it with the comment symbol here. We're going to delete that comment symbol, and now Noggit will read this line. So once you've got that done, we'll go grab our file path of the WoW root folder. Noggit wants the main folder of World of Warcraft. That's the root folder here. So you're going to go here, click on the Windows area. That's the easiest way to grab the folder path. You're going to copy it and then paste it. Alright. You're going to go up here, copy it again, and paste it for those of you that missed it. Now, once you're done with that, you're going to add this little ending here. It's a backslash or a forward slash, preferably a backslash. Now why we're doing that is because if you don't, Noggit can get a bit finicky, and it will read this and it will think it will keep on going and going and going, and it won't grab anything from this file. So what you're going to do is you're going to just end it with a backslash. Once you're done with that, you're also going to uncomment the project folder. And we'll go into the Noggit folder here, and we will create a folder here. Let's just call it project. You can name it anything you want, but what this is for is where Noggit will store most of your custom work here. Now once you got this uncommented, we will go and grab the path of that folder. We'll just go up here, click in that area again, copy it, and paste it. You will also add a backslash to that as well. Once you're done, you will save this file, close it, go back to your Noggit folder, and we'll rename Noggit_template.conf to Noggit.conf. Once you've got that done, you will copy your fonts folder here, and you will go and paste it in the root directory of your World of Warcraft folder. Again, we are going to the Noggit folder here, and we are copying this font folder to the root folder here, so it ends up there. Once you've got that done, we are also going to run World of Warcraft. The reason we're going to run World of Warcraft is because we want to generate those cache files again. Noggit cannot run without the cache files. So once you've ran World of Warcraft, you want to log in here, and just simply exit. Now you've generated your cache folder of the server you logged into, and that's what Noggit wants. So once you've got that done, you're gonna right click on the nogg-it.exe in your Noggit folder. You're gonna go to compatibility. Make sure you always run this as administrator, because there can be some things that go wrong with permission errors here. Now once you got that one done, you're also going to go back to where your folder is stored, not the root folder of World of Warcraft, but where that folder is stored, so you can see the folder itself. Once you've got that done, you're going to right click it, go to properties, and this read only box, you're going to uncheck that. You're going to click apply, and apply changes to this folder and subfolders and files. Now what this is going to do is it's going to make permissions so that Noggit can actually overwrite some files if it needs to. And I'm going to have that done here. This will also fix the error in your logs. Whenever your Noggit crashes, it'll store it in a file called log.txt. This will fix the errors of something like unable to have permissions to open up patches or something like that. This will fix most crashes to your desktop. Now once you're done with that, you click OK. And just to clarify some things here, if you go back into properties, read only is going to have that box checked still. That's okay. That's okay as long as you did that initial step. That's fine. Now once you're done with that, you're going to go into the NoggitSDL folder here, run noggit.exe, and everything is fine. Now we've got the perfectly good Noggit running here, and you can go away at World Editing. So that's it for the installation instructions, and thank you for watching.